Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide layer here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Canva, while you cannot directly hide layers, like in traditional design tools such as Photoshop or any other software editing application, you can work around with this limitation with some simple tricks that we're going to show you to effectively manage your design. So, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you are working. If you haven't already, just click the template section right here. You can choose to start from a business template, social media template, education, video, marketing, and print products. You can also choose the cards and invitations. But if you wanted to start from scratch, you might want to click the create a design. Now in this case, I'm going to add multiple elements here in this section. Say for example, this one. I'm going to add, say, another video. I'm going to add this specific video right here. And maybe this. Okay, so I have like multiple elements here in Canva. I'm gonna make sure that this aligns pretty well with my design. Just making sure everything's smooth. And then let's search for another one right here. Hold on, let me just check. How about this one right here? Fits the bill. Now we have multiple elements. Basically, each element is comprised of layers. If you right click that, you see this is going to be a layer. All right, so one layer, another layer here, as you can see, another layer right here. Now, I want you to click on the position on the top corner. If you click that, you would have noticed that there's two options. You can have the arrange section and the layer section. If you click on layers, you see there's no direct feature for hide here in Canva. Instead, what we are going to do, so the first layer is this one, the mountainous ranges. If you wanted to drag that at the bottom, just click the mouse here and drag it here. All right. Similarly, if you want this to be the first one, just drag it on the top. Now, if I wanted to hide this layer, the fruits and the woman dancing, okay, you have two options. Number one is you can drag the woman right here all the way here. All right. So that's one way, but still the woman is still part of the design. I might undo that so you can guys see it. All right. Go to position again. Okay. Go to layers. Another option is, you see, you can click the transparency, all right, for every layers that you wanted to hide. So basically all of the layers had been hidden, but of course they are here. All right, you see that? So that's essentially how it's done. While this won't hide the element, you can lock it in place so you don't accidentally interact it with while working on other layers. All right. Now, after hiding this, okay, I'm gonna click on position again. There's gonna be an option here, like a lock icon. Now, if you lock this small padlock icon on the top of the toolbar, what will happen is this will lock the layer so it stays fixed in place. Okay. So for example, if you accidentally delete or move a layer out of view but want to restore that, it's going to be a lot easier for you now. You see, no one can move this since you hide this layers in place. What will happen is if you share this specific design, say for example, with your team member, with their client, or maybe your boss or any collaborator within the project that you're working, they can only work with this specific layer, this one right here, but the other ones they won't be able to do that because it's already locked in place. And of course, it's hidden. For example, it contains sensitive information. So these are some of the options that you can do to hide lead layers, of course, and play around with it. Now, another option is click on shift. Okay, click on shift, click on shift. Now, I wanted to group this. I'm going to unlock this everything here for now. I'm going to unlock, right? Unlock right here. What I'm going to do is press shift to the three hidden layers. I'm going to group them. All right, so it's going to be a lot easier. And then I'm going to lock them. So the three of them are locked and they're grouped together in case I wanted to work with them for another page right here. Okay, I can simply copy that here and of course work on another page. While lock layers can prevent accidental movement, hiding a layer entirely ensures that you do not accidentally select or modify important elements while working on other parts of your design. Say for example, if you have like an overlapping design right here, text, images, or shapes, hiding one layer allows you to edit the elements beneath it more easily. It makes it simpler to select and modify the underlying layers. In complex designs with many layers, hiding certain layers helps to organize and access the elements you need without interference from other objects. So now, if you are unsure about removing an element but don't want it to be visible in the current layout, hiding it keeps available for later use without cluttering your canvas. And again, just go to the position right here. All I have to do is unlock the group that I did, and of course increase the transparency so you guys can see again the hidden layers. So it's very easy. Now once you're happy with this design, all you're gonna do is go to the share button, click on download. You can download this an MP4, JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print. You might want to click on GIF if you wanted to share this to other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, or TikTok, or even as an attachment here for email, WhatsApp, iMessage, and Facebook. You are welcome to do that. You are also welcome to save it to your Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft PowerPoint, and of course, the best if you wanted to print this, you might want to use the PDF standard or PDF. Now, when presenting different design versions of ideas to your clients, hiding layers allows you to create multiple looks from the same base design, helping clients see different options without multiple files, obviously, right? You can work more efficiently and creatively, manage complex designs with ease, and explore different design options without losing your progress or cluttering your workspace. Hiding layers for alternate versions of templates or designs that you may need later on, allowing flexibility in finalizing your designs. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.